everybody. I'm Venti.
That design so I could breathe and look. I think this looks really cute, so I'm excited to see this come together. I have a feeling if I wear this going into an IKEA, they're going to hire me on the spot.
Hey, everybody. I'm Meat Boy.
Girl. My heart is telling me that.
So I'm going to get into costume. I think I'll start by maybe greeting some people, and then after that we'll go
Have a mascot, and so I figured I'd there so I could see through still. It's got all together. So we're currently working on putting this together, so I'll keep you updated, and then when it ultimately comes, I'll put it on and we'll see what we can do with Chipotle.
All right, guys, I'm excited to show you this one because this one is different from all the others, but Chipotle has finally arrived now. I'm Baggy. So this one, like... Like I said, Bye, guys. Hope to see you again at Chipotle.
Now, you would think if we were a company that's worth over $2 trillion, you'd have a mascot. But Amazon doesn't. So Amazon gets a bad rap a lot of the times. What I ended up matching with it looks like an So it captures all the activity to hit the warehouses because the Amazon mascot is finally here. So let me go ahead and put it on.
I introduce to you Foxy.
Animated with
He is a Q.
You saw this, you know that it's the Best Buy price tag. I'm really excited to get this one, and then we'll do some fun things at Best Buy.
Okay, the Best Buy mascot has finally arrived. I'm very excited to put it on and show it to you guys. I reveal to you Bestie.